Welcome to our English listening channel. Hello everyone. Today you will follow a simple conversation between two adults who forgot their passports before an important trip. What would you do in this situation? Do not worry. The characters will speak slowly and clearly, so please relax and enjoy the story.
Daniel, we need to leave in 2 hours.
Yes, I know. I'm almost finished packing.
Do you have our passports?
Our passports? I thought you had them.
No, I don't have them. Where did we put them?
Oh, no. We need to find them quickly.
This is a problem. Our flight leaves at 3 o'clock.
Let's check the desk in the living room first.
Good idea. Maybe they're with our other documents.
I'm looking through all these papers.
I'll check the drawers. Maybe they're inside.
Here are our old bills and bank statements.
Nothing in this drawer. Just pens and notebooks.
Wait, let me check this folder.
Did you find them?
No, just our insurance papers.
We need to look somewhere else.
What about the kitchen? Sometimes we put mail there.
I'll look through the mail on the counter.
I'm checking the kitchen drawers.
Here's yesterday's newspaper and some letters.
This drawer has cooking tools. No passports.
What time is it now?
It's already 1 o'clock.
We only have 2 hours left.
Let me think. Where else could they be?
Maybe we should call the passport office.
That's a good idea. They might help us.
Hello, this is Sarah. I need help with my passport.
Ask them about emergency passports.
We have a flight today at 3 o'clock.
Tell them we lost both passports.
Yes, we cannot find our passports anywhere.
What are they saying?
They say we can get emergency passports today.
Really? That's great news.
But we need to come to the office right now.
Let's go immediately. We can make it. I'll get our driver's licenses and birth certificates.
Good thinking. We need identification documents.
Do you have your purse and keys?
Yes, everything is here. Let me get my jacket.
How long does it take to drive there?
About 15 minutes if there's no traffic.
We can still catch our flight.
I hope so. This is very stressful.
Don't worry. Everything will be okay.
The GPS says we'll arrive in 12 minutes.
Perfect. The traffic is not too bad today.
I'm nervous about the emergency passport process.
The woman on the phone sounded helpful.
What if they cannot make passports quickly enough?
Let's stay positive. They said it was possible.
You're right. We brought all our documents.
Look, there's the passport office building.
Great. Let's find a parking space quickly. Hello, we called about emergency passports.
We have a flight at 3 o'clock today.
We cannot find our regular passports anywhere.
Here are our driver's licenses and birth certificates.
How long will the emergency passports take?
We're very worried about missing our flight.
Is there anything else you need from us?
We can pay any extra fees for fast service.
Thank you so much for helping us today.
How much time do we have left?
It's already 1:45. We have 1 hour and 15 minutes.
I hope they finish the passports soon.
The worker said it takes about 30 minutes.
That means we still have time to get to the airport.
But we need to check in and go through security.
You're right. We need to move quickly after this.
At least we found a solution to our problem.
Yes, emergency passports are very helpful.
Wonderful. Thank you so much for these emergency passports.
You saved our vacation. We really appreciate your help.
How long are these emergency passports good for?
And can we use them for international travel today?
Perfect. Now we need to rush to the airport.
What time is it now?
It's 2:15. We have 45 minutes.
Let's go quickly. Thank you again.
Yes, thank you. Have a great day.
I can't believe we got new passports so quickly.
The emergency passport service was amazing.
How far is the airport from here?
About 20 minutes with this traffic.
We might actually make it to our flight on time.
I'm so relieved. This morning was very stressful.
Now we know what to do if this happens again.
Next time, we'll keep our passports in a safe place.
Look, there's the airport sign.
Here are our new emergency passports and tickets.
We almost missed this flight because of passport problems.
But everything worked out perfectly in the end.
Are these emergency passports okay for travel?
Great! Which gate do we need to find?
How much time do we have before boarding?
Perfect. We have enough time to relax a little.
Thank you for checking us in.
This has been quite an adventure already.
I can't believe we made it to the airport on time.
The emergency passport office saved our trip.
From now on, I'll always check our passports before traveling.
That's a very good idea. This was too stressful.
But now we can enjoy our vacation.
Yes, and we learned something important today.
We learn to stay calm during problems.
And we learned that there are always solutions.
Listen, they're calling our flight for boarding.
Finally, let's go on our vacation.
I hope this video helped you improve your English. What would you do if you forgot your passports before a trip? Please share your answer in the comments. Practicing simple conversations like this can help you speak with more confidence. If you enjoyed the story, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. Thank you for learning with us. See you next time. Bye.